Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Wix. This is an essential feature for building your subscriber list, running marketing campaigns, or staying connected with your audience. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with different options. From this list, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific site where you want to set up email collection. Now you'll see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to collect emails from. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. This ensures you're working on the right project and won't have to backtrack later. On this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on this button to proceed. This will open up the Wix website editor, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your site's design and functionality. Once you're in the Wix website editor screen, focus your attention on finding the Add Element button. This button is your gateway to adding various features and tools to your website. Click on it to continue. The Add Elements menu will expand on your screen, revealing a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. This includes everything from text boxes to images and interactive forms. From this list, locate and click on Contact and Forms. This is the tool that specifically lets you collect emails and other contact information from your visitors. Inside the Contact and Forms section, you'll see a list of pre-made forms that Wix offers. There are several types of forms you can use to collect emails, but one of the best examples for this purpose is a subscribe type of form. These are specifically designed to capture email addresses efficiently. Browse through the options, find the form that best suits your needs, then click and drag it onto your website canvas. Position it where you want it to appear on your page, whether that's in your header, sidebar, or footer. Once the form is added to your canvas, the next step is customization. This is where you can really make the form work for you by enticing customers or clients to sign up. You'll want to tailor the messaging and design to encourage visitors to share their email addresses. Some of the best strategies include offering sale discounts, free courses, exclusive content, or early access to new products. Explore different approaches and test what resonates most with your audience. The more appealing your offer, the higher your sign-up rate will be. And that's it. You've successfully set up email collection on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.